Here we go, folks. Thursday morning, 2 trading days left in the week. We got a lot to cover off. Real quick, here's what's shaking today. Bank of England rate decision. It's done. Bank of England came out, left rates unchanged. However, like the U.S., also concerned about inflation. What are we seeing on the back of that meeting? We're seeing the pound trade lower, dollar trade higher. We have a Mexican central bank meeting today. Keep an eye on that Mexican peso. Yes, you can trade that at Nadex. What else? Jobless claims. Initial jobless claims due out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time today. Do we see an improvement in these jobs figures building on that momentum we've seen the past couple of weeks? Ahead of that, stock market trading higher. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq all firmly into green by about 0.5%. S&P on pace to surpass that record that it hit last week. Now, speaking of inflation, we have key inflation data out tomorrow. A lot of traders focused on that. Could that change the opinion of any of these central bankers? Time will tell, but something you need to be aware of. So that said, 2 trading days left. We've still got a lot due out on the economic data front. We've got a lot of central bankers talking. We've also got a lot going on overseas. Make sure we're prepared. Make sure we're ready to go. Let's get in there. Let's trade a little bit of price action. Let's have some fun. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow.